It's a hot day, and I'm outside in a bee suit. No, I'm not going to get in honeybees. I'm getting ready to destroy a yellowjacket's nest. Now, folks, you might think I'm crazy, but I don't have any insecticide. I have a garden sprayer, I have water, and I have Dawn dish soap. I've got, as you can see, I use the blue, and this is pumped up really hard, and it works to kill bees. I heard that about 3 years ago, and I thought there's no way. But honestly, that's what I've been using ever since. It's non-toxic, and guys, it works. So, I have a yellowjacket's nest under the chicken coop. I'm going to drag it out, and I'm going to spray them. I won't be able to have it on my phone, but I am going to have a video, so you'll have to look for the video.